Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to make Bluesky account. Here's how to create a Bluesky account with these steps. First, download the Bluesky app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for Bluesky Social. Tap Install to download the app. Once installed, tap on Open. Tap on Create Account. Fill in the required details such as your username, email, and password. Then tap on Next. Next, set up your profile. Once your account is created, you can tap on the A on the bottom right corner. Then tap Edit Profile. Add a profile picture by tapping on the mini camera icon. Then you can choose between camera or library. So I choose library. Then tap on your chosen profile. Then adjust its position for your profile. Once done, hit the check button. Then you can add a display name and description if you want to. And then, once it's all done, tap on Save. Start connecting with other users. Use the app to browse, follow people, and post updates called skates. And if you need help obtaining an invite code, consider reaching out to friends who already use Bluesky or checking community forums for codes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.